In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a waitlist using Tally.so. This process will help you gather interest and build anticipation for your product or service launch. We'll walk through setting up your form step by step, ensuring you capture all the essential information you need. Let's get started by visiting the Tally.so website. For the best experience, I recommend using the Chrome browser. Once you're on the site, you'll need to either log into your existing account or sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Creating an account is quick and will only take a few minutes. Now that you're logged in, it's time to create a new form. Look for the plus new form button and click on it. This is where you'll design your waitlist. To keep things organized, give your form a clear and descriptive title. Something like waitlist sign up or join the list would be perfect. This way anyone visiting will immediately understand the purpose of your form. Next, let's add some basic fields to capture your waitlist information. At a minimum, you'll want to include a short text field for the person's name and an email field where they can enter their email address. If you want to gather additional information, consider adding optional fields such as a phone number or a section for notes. These extra fields can provide valuable insights into your audience. Now that the basics are out of the way, it's time to customize your form to align with your branding. Add a short description to encourage signups. You might write something like, "Join the waitlist and be the first to know when we launch." Feel free to get creative and upload your logo or a banner to give your form a personalized touch. This step will help your form stand out and reinforce brand recognition. To make your waitlist even more effective, you can add logic and questions to qualify your leads. For instance, include a multiple choice question asking what interests them most about your upcoming launch. This can provide you with invaluable data on how to tailor your promotions and offerings to meet your audience's needs. Don't forget to enable notifications in your form settings. This is crucial because it lets you receive email alerts whenever someone signs up. Staying informed about new signups will help you manage potential customers and maintain engagement. Once everything looks good and you've double-checked your form, it's time to publish and share it with your audience. Go ahead and click the Publish button. Share the link in your communications, be it through email, social media, or embedded on your website. With your form live, you're ready to capture interest and excitement for your upcoming project. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating an effective waitlist using Tally.so. Feel free to review these steps as you build your form, ensuring a seamless experience for you and your audience. Good luck with your launch!